Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the wet brushes challenge, and I saw Laura Lee doing this first. I don't know who did it originally, but I saw Laura Lee doing it. So I'm just gonna do that, and basically what that is you apply your makeup with your brushes being soaked in water. And I have my cup of water right here, so I'm gonna do my best not to spill that everywhere. So basically I'm gonna start with primer, and I don't really put this on with the brush, so we'll just put that on my hands. This is the e.l.f. Poreless face primer. I mentioned this in my last video of me trying new things. Skylar went and got me a towel because she knows I'll mess it up anyways, even though I say I'm going to try not to. So, alright, so we're going to start with foundation. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And I'm just going to put this on my face. Alright, so I'm using since using a beauty blender would be cheating to me, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics brush and the airbrush foundation brush. And I'm just going to dip it in water. This feels gross. I'm just wiping it on the side just to get any extra drippy water. And now I'm just going to go in. Ugh. This is disgusting. I've got water dripping down my face. It's dripping down my arm. I feel like it's not even setting into my skin. Like it's just spreading out. This is disgusting. I do not recommend doing this. Just make it worse. Alright. Now that I look absolutely disgusting. Alright. Now that that's over, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light 10. I'm just gonna put that on. And then I'm going to dip my concealer brush, which is the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Concealer. I'm going to dip that in the water. Good thing I needed to clean my brushes anyway. Now there's water dripping all down my face. One thing about it, ew. I'm gonna have a very dewy face today. And Skylar's gonna be doing the same thing on her channel. So if you want to see her do it too,
which is probably gonna turn out even worse than hers,
I'll link her channel. Alright. Now let's do, what can we do next? What's next? How do I do next? I do bronzer. Or no, I set the face next. Lord. So now I'm going to go in with my Smooth and Set powder, which is not going to be smooth or set. And I'm going to use, because Beauty Blender will be cheating, I'm going to use this e.l.f. highlighting brush thingy. I use it for powder under the eyes, so we're just going to dip that. I don't know how well this is going to turn out. We're going to dump some out. That way I'm not dumping this like in. I'm going to put some in the lid. Just so I'm not dumping the wet brush into all my powder. You just clunked up. Alright.
Ew, I can see it sticking.
Now for the other side. It's just clumping up onto my brush. Not doing very much. I just like to set. Alright, well. Now the clumpy parts are breaking off. I'm gonna go in bronze. For bronzer I use this Ellen Tracy little brush thingy. And I use my e.l.f. bronzer palette. Gonna dip this right into it. Ruin just about everything I own. And I'm gonna go in with this third shade right here. This is gonna ruin my powders.
Should have used waterproof makeup.
I don't even think that would help. So I am baking right now. Oh my god. Let's try to use the other half.
Keeps opening and closing the garage.
Cool, we just go back. Alright. Let's try to blend that in. Can you guys see that? How nasty that looks? My hair is getting caught into it. What's next? Blush. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Sweet Retreat. And I'm gonna use this Lisa Frank blush brush and dump that. So now I'm just gonna swirl. I just wanna like dry this. I'm gonna swirl it.
At least the bottom is pink.
Don't know what good this is gonna do.
I just look like a clown.
Oh, I forgot. I gotta sweep my bake away. I'll do that in a second. Now that all my powders are gonna be ruined, let's sweep the bake away. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush to do that. I'm gonna dump that. Don't know how much sweeping is gonna get done with the wet brush, but here we go. Eyes are next. I'm gonna use my W7 Cosmetics Lightly Toasted palette.
This is going to
See how bad this turns out. I'm gonna go into the first shade, which is, what shade is that? Lady Luck. And dip that. I'm gonna put that in the crease.
found a stalker.
Okay, the eyeshadow's not turning out terribly bad, like I assumed it would. And then I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade. Oh, gotta dip it. So now I'm gonna use that smudgy end and just pack it on. Now I'm gonna use the other end and wet this part. I'm gonna blend it out now. Alright, well I take back my statement on it not turning out bad. So now I'm gonna go into this gold shade.
Hello.
And I'm gonna wet that other end. I'm just gonna dig in. This one might turn out pretty because it is a shimmer shade and you gotta wet your brush anyways. But we'll see. Or it'll just turn out wet. Either way works. Try to build some color up. Because it looks like I just put eyegloss all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush we used. Just make a bigger mess. And now I'm gonna go with that smudgy brush. Just go under the eye. Need a mirror for this. Alright, highlighter This is a shimmer highlighting powder in Starlight Glow, like I mentioned in my last video. I'm gonna use this highlighting brush to do that. I'm just gonna swirl it in. Now it's highlight. Let's check out this contour though. So yeah, now the highlighter is still bomb. Brows. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I broke the spoolie off, so just ignore that. And yes, I'm going to even wet this. I don't even let you guys see the water drip off of it. Now I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm gonna dip it again. Show you guys the water. To the other brow. So that didn't turn out very bad. I've seen my brows look better, but that's okay. What's next? Mascara. So I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. And I'm going to dip the wand in water. You guys can see the water dripping off. Just like that. And I'm going to do my mascara. There's water flicking off the brush as I'm trying to do this. Alright, well, I completely killed the perfect factor of this mascara. Lipstick. Oh, my face feels very tight and heavy. This is the Praline shade that I talked about in my last video. I'm going to dip this too. Did you guys see the water? Now I look like I don't know how to put lipstick on. It has made it very patchy. It's not a patchy thing at all. So now I'm just gonna set all this. So that's my look with wet brushes. I look a mess. This contour looks a mess.
You look beautiful.
Blend it some more. Maybe blending it some more will help. Probably not. Nope, just gonna stay there. Alright guys, that's my final look. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Turn the notifications on.
Do that too. And I'll see you guys next time.